All right, if you've been following our shop walks and you know what's going on in the shop, you know that I got a personal Xpedition, partnered up with a bunch of cool vendors, including Polaris, to do something fun. So we're building a car for myself. This is kind of the first phase that we're doing, so it's not completely done, but we just want to give you guys a rundown of some of the stuff that we've done. So we'll start at the front. We started with a DRT bumper. We put these on 99% of the Xpeditions that we do. We absolutely love the fit and finish, works with the factory winch. We did a Factor 55 fair lead on it, or clevis on it with the DRT fair lead. Just a super clean look. Absolutely love how those look and gives us a lot of protection. On top, we mounted some Nacho lights. So Nacho's a new brand to us. I installed them on a buddy's car and absolutely love how bright they were. So I decided to put them on this car. We did 2 spots in the middle and combos on the outside to get a little bit of a flood. And one thing we did a little custom is we actually drilled the Nacho lights back a little bit further to set them back towards the back of the car a little bit, towards the grill, just to get a little smoother look. So we didn't use the DRT holes that are in the front, just to do something a little bit custom, I guess. And the suspension, you can see it's got a little bit more width. So we did a Super ATV kit on it. This is a 4+ kit with the Rhino axles. For shocks, we did the shock therapy ride improvement system and the dual rate spring kit. One cool thing we love about the Super ATV kit is it comes with a full new tie rod. So they typically come polished. We had this powder coated black, but it's a nice tie rod instead of just an extension that a lot of kits come with. So super happy with that. It's gonna be super durable and heavy duty, won't have any issues. For the tires, we have the Valor Alpha tire in a 32, super aggressive tire, perfect for the Arizona terrain that I'll be riding in. And we did Hostile wheels on it. This is their Glamis wheel, 4+3 offset. So I absolutely love the stance of the Xpedition. I love how it came out. So that's what we got going on, kind of front end wise, suspension wise. We did factory mirrors on it, visors in it. We're gonna do some interior stuff. Only thing we've done so far is some of the DRT grab handles. So we did the DRT door handle here and the DRT passenger grab handle. But we're installing a Viper shifter, doing a couple other factory things and some other stuff inside, a whole bunch of XTC wiring, but we'll show you that as we go on that. On the back, we have the DRT vent covers here and the inner fender guard there for the rear area. Just some accent panels, makes it look really cool. It really matches with the theme of the black and gray camo, so that's just how they come from the factory, nothing custom there, it just looks really good. We did a DRT rear bumper. We have a license plate frame. The license plate's not here yet, but it'll get here. We're gonna hook up the backup lights to the reverse, so when the car goes in reverse, the backup lights will come on. Working with a couple different vendors on getting a wiring kit for that, and that'll be for everybody because we're getting a lot of requests for that. So working on that, kind of using this as the guinea pig to get stuff done for you guys that you've been asking. Working on DRT camera extension they just came out with, so that'll be mounted on the bumper to move the camera out a little bit and get you a little bit better field of view. I think that's all we got going on right now. Window tint, like I said, a bunch of XTC wiring stuff on it. Some more factory Polaris accessories are gonna go on it. Really excited for this build. I'm gonna take it out this weekend for the first time and have some fun with it, actually out in the dirt. So I'll give you guys an update after that to let you know what I think.